Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to reset Survivor.io account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reset Survivor.io account. So if you want to reset your Survivor.io account and start over, there isn't a one-tap reset button. Instead, you'll need to contact Happy Support or create a new account depending on your situation. Now, how you can do these? By going to the top left corner, you'll have, as you can see, the three lines, where you'll have, as you can see, the settings, mail, and announcements. Click on settings. Now here, when you go in the bottom, you'll see the general and account. Click on the second option, which is general, and here you'll have your Happy account, as you can see. Now here, of course, when you click on the account, you can see that you cannot go and delete the account. You can of course go and delete the game, then install it again. When you install the game again, you will again have the option to go and link with another mail. There put another mail, and that's basically resetting you having a new account through a new mail. If you want to do, of course, to reset this particular mail and account, so you don't want to lose this one, you need to go to the support. So when you go and click on here on settings, you'll have here the support, or just go to Google and type in the Happy Support, where you'll get to the support where you can of course ask them to reset the options. So just go to the top left corner, click on settings, then on account, click on feedback, and there you will go, as you can see, select the issue, contact us, network issues, purchase issues, save issues. Go and click on the issue, of course one of these. So click on contact us, then contact them for resetting your account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.